Delicately nestled on a plot by Feiticeira Beach in Ilhabela, São Paulo, this residence is characterized by its steeply sloped terrain, which plays a leading role in the design's composition. With its main facade facing the beach view, the house resembles a large, concrete portico. The house is developed on different levels, allowing for a more pleasant descent to the sea, where a pier and wooden deck provide access for boats. The main block, where the bedrooms, living room, and kitchen are located, was designed so that all the rooms of the house face the same view. From the main block, a large external deck extends with an infinity pool, perfect for watching the sunset. Characterized by minimalist simplicity, the house is limited to 3 primary materials: concrete, wood, and glass. Its glass facade and large sliding doors allow for different levels of privacy in each room. Designed to be a weekend retreat for a São Paulo family, Feiticeira House was designed by HUS Arquitetos. Within 400 square meters of built area, the architects fulfilled the owner's desires through a concise program, ideal in terms of comfort and capacity to host friends. Additionally, the design prioritized practicality regarding maintenance and security. The other 2 blocks of the complex, the caretaker's house and the guest house, maintain the same minimalist principle and equally offer sea views, while providing the necessary level of privacy for each case. The upper slab is accessed via a metal walkway that connects the main car entrance to the house's roof. Since the aim was to utilize all levels in the best possible way, the upper slab, which would otherwise remain an unused space, was transformed into another social area with landscaping. This walkway then becomes a staircase leading to the main entrance of the house on the lower level.